There are very few materials-based experiments, particularly ones which are both convincing and reliable. But here's one that's very easily done using hair grips, water, a blowtorch, although a Bunsen burner can be used, and a pair of tongs. All you need to, it's basically to show the heat treatment of steel. So I heat the hair grip up till it glows. I just want to get the bend there nice and warm, burning off the layer, the insulation layer on it. And if you were to compare the springiness of a hair grip to one that's been treated in water like that, you'll see that there's no comparison. This has become very, very brittle. If I now repeat this, by heating again until it's golden, until it glows with a nice red glow, and then immerse it exactly as before. But this time, if I were to heat it very gently, and I'm looking for it to change colour to a blue colour, and do it on both sides of the thing, and let it cool down in air. Just let it cool naturally. Shouldn't take too long because there's not a huge thermal mass there. So if I now, I've picked it up at the base of it, but if I now try to pull it, you'll see that some of that springiness has returned.